If you're delivering with Uber Eats and want to make more money without doing extra work, quests and promotions are a must. These bonuses can seriously boost your weekly income, but only if you know how to unlock them and use them right. First, make sure you're in a city or zone where Uber Eats actually offers quests. Uber typically sends out quest offers based on driver activity and demand in your area. You'll usually find these in the Opportunities tab in the Uber driver app, especially towards the end of the week. If you're active and consistently complete deliveries, your chance of getting quests go up. Quests usually look something like this: complete 30 deliveries for an extra $50. They're not always guaranteed, and not every driver gets the same one. So to increase your odds, you want to be active during peak hours. Complete multiple deliveries in one shift and accept orders that keep you moving. Also, turn on notifications in the app so you don't miss any promo alerts. Uber sends them via email or in app messages, usually around Monday or Friday. If you ignore them or don't complete any deliveries during promo windows, the algorithm may stop offering you future quests. One key trick: stack quests with boost zones. If you are in a high paying boost area and also completing a quest, that's double earnings with the same effort. This is where full time drivers get their edge. At the end of the day, you won't get quests just by logging in once a week. You need to stay consistent, drive smart, and play the app's game. If this helped you understand how to unlock quests and promotions on Uber Eats, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips to make the most out of every delivery shift.